Imagine this. You're outside when suddenly you see lightning flash across the sky. A second later, thunder. Don't wait for the rain. If you can hear thunder, you're already close enough to be struck. Get inside a substantial building or a hard-topped vehicle with the windows closed. And don't hide under an isolated tree. If you're stuck outside with no shelter, get away from high ground, water, and isolated tall objects. Now you're hiking, and you turn a corner and see a snake on the trail. Don't try to get a closer look. Don't poke it, and definitely don't try to kill it. Just slowly back away and give it space. Most snake bites happen when people try to interact with the snake. If you're bitten, get medical help immediately and don't waste time trying to capture the animal. Next, you're walking home when an unfamiliar dog starts approaching you aggressively. Your instinct might be to run. Don't. Stay still, avoid direct eye contact, stay calm, and slowly back away when you can. If the dog knocks you down, curl into a ball and protect your head and neck. Now you're swimming at the beach. And suddenly, you're getting farther from shore. You're probably not being pulled underwater. You're caught in a rip current. Don't waste all your energy fighting straight toward the beach. Float, stay calm, and swim parallel to the shoreline until you're out of the current. Then angle your way back toward shore. If you can't escape, keep floating and signal for help. And finally, you're hiking alone. You look around, and suddenly, nothing looks familiar. You check your phone. No signal. This is where people make a dangerous mistake. They keep walking, hoping they'll eventually find the trail. Don't. If you're not in immediate danger, stop moving. Stay where you are, try to work out your last known location, and use your whistle, flashlight, or other signals to attract attention. Wandering farther away can make you much harder to find. 5 situations. 5 completely different dangers. But notice the pattern. Lightning? Don't wait. Snake? Don't approach. Dog? Don't run. Rip current? Don't fight it. Lost? Don't wander. Because when something goes wrong, your first instinct isn't always your safest one. Sometimes survival isn't about doing something extraordinary. It's simply knowing what not to do. Stay aware, stay calm, stay alive.
दूर से भी तू पास लगे, दिल तेरा एहसास कहे, चांद भी तेरे रंग में है, रात मेरी तेरे संग में है, हर धड़कन एक गीत बने, जब तेरे कदम नजर आए।